In today's tutorial, we will be covering bills, which are also referred to as payments to vendors in this program. Let's begin by adding a new bill. Click here to add a new bill. Begin by entering a series and a number for the bill. For this example, we will enter AB and 2345. For this example, we will leave a due date blank. If you do enter a date here, the program will track it, and when the date has passed, this bill will turn red in the list. You can filter searches by their due date, but more on that later. The expense category and company, these are self-explanatory. By default, the person responsible is set to the user whose account is being used to create the bill. If the company and expense category are not selected, upon attempting to save, an error will be shown, so let's choose both of those. After selecting a payment method, you will also need to choose the priority for the bill. Bills can be searched by their priority, and it can be set for both the bills seen in this tab and the invoices sent out to clients. Now, let's enter an actual sum for the bill. It doesn't really matter for this example, so we will just enter 100. There is also a feature for adding a note, or you can upload a file, such as a scanned document. For now, let's click on Save and Exit. As we can see, a second bill has now appeared. Let's talk about dividing bills up into categories. There are 3 tabs: All, Not Paid, and Approved in the current period of financial planning. On the top right side is a search window. Here you can enter the series or number of the bill or the company name for whom it has to be paid. As always, the advanced search, available here, will offer a lot more options in terms of search parameters. For example, you could select bills which have to be paid by the end of a month. Click on Document Date and select Due Date instead from the drop-down menu. Let's enter some data here, for example, September of 2017, and the program will give us a list of bills to be paid by that date. This concludes today's tutorial. As always, we will be happy to answer your questions in the comments below.